A new marketplace created a worldwide impact through its unexpected changes to how people buy online. The platform captured millions of customers within 1 year and surpassed leaders Amazon and Shein. How did it rise so fast? What's the secret fueling its dominance? Its rapid success depends on basic questions. Does it stem from real innovation combined with powerful tactics or hidden unethical methods? Join us as we reveal the secret strategy that made this business trend dominate discussions in its first year of operation. The meteoric rise of Temu. Temu achieved incredible success over a short period. PDD Holdings created Temu in September 2022 to deliver its social commerce success from China to global markets. Despite typical startup requirements, Temu expanded rapidly and secured US app download leadership during its inaugural year. Temu's promise was simple. Customers can find top-quality items at prices that no one else matches. But it wasn't just low prices that set it apart. The platform Temu mastered how to win modern shoppers by providing them with speed and lots of choices while keeping shopping fun. The company achieved remarkable success right from the start with this approach. As of right now, Temu serves 170 million active subscribers across every continent, while accelerating its global market penetration. Temu's multi-billion-dollar market strategies. To achieve its results, Temu sells products directly to customers without going through traditional retail supply chains. Temu cuts out traditional wholesale and distribution steps to earn cheaper prices when it buys directly from manufacturers. The platform maintains lower costs than traditional retailers by cutting out unnecessary parties from the supply chain. Temu lets you find identical earbuds to Amazon's products at $30, but priced at $5. This isn't magic. Through its parent company's relationship with its suppliers, the platform obtains unmatched price discounts. This cost-cutting strategy helps Temu become one of the best shopping choices in its market. Those who analyze our methods agree they produce negative results. Customers have reported finding imitated items and items of unpredictable quality on Temu, which questions their ability to keep low prices and consistent quality together. Online lessons. Pricing. Temu uses special promotions to draw in large numbers of customers. When you launch their mobile app, you will discover unbeatable deals with wireless earbuds at $5 each, plus dresses at $3 or less, while all orders are delivered for free. These offers are part of Temu's boldest strategy, loss leader pricing. As a strategic tactic, Temu offers products at prices below their costs to draw in as many users to its platform. The concept is simple. Our special offers attract customers to our site. During sales events, Temu sells wireless headphones for $5, which matches Amazon's product quality at $30. The platform defeats its opponents by making prices so extreme that shoppers have no choice but to notice. Through limited-time deals, Temu attracts and keeps its users focused. When products sell fast during time-limited promotions, consumers develop a strong need to grab deals before they disappear. Under such appealing conditions, the platform helps shoppers feel their decisions become effortless when making purchases. Temu achieved fast customer growth through their effective marketing strategy. The platform Temu has gained millions of users who are attracted by its discount prices and tempting promotions. After buying their initial product, users return to Temu and keep expanding their total purchases. Then, of course, this model comes with challenges. Some industry analysts doubt if Temu's low-price strategy and shipping incentives will continue to work in the future. Investors question if Temu can keep its discount strategy working as it grows internationally. Since launching, Temu has established itself as people's preferred budget shopping platform around the globe. Gamification making shopping addictive. Shopping has gone beyond basic transactions at Temu as the platform offers consumers an engaging format. Buying experiences at Temu have turned into an interactive fun activity that draws in and entertains customers. Temu uses spin-win discounts along with daily check-ins and group buying to make online shopping just as fun as traditional video games. The daily check-in option serves as an example. Users receive rewards every day when they access the system. You win more when you keep returning to shop every day. Users quickly make Temu part of their daily routine when they receive benefits for logging in 365 times a day. This strategy successfully turns Temu into a regular part of the user's digital journey. Temu leads the market by allowing several people to make purchases together at discounted prices. Users create discounts together when they team up with their friends and other shoppers to purchase trending items. When users refer Temu to their friends, they help the company grow while creating bonds with the community. When users join group buy deals, they naturally promote Temu to others, making them effective brand ambassadors. Gamification serves two essential purposes. It keeps users entertained while improving both their interactions and purchasing results. Each gaming feature on Temu adds to the positive thoughts users have about the platform when they collect rewards from successful sales and spin the prize wheel. The platform's interactive features let users shop in ways that make both activities rewarding and enjoyable. People have doubts about this business method. People think that gamification pushes people to purchase without thinking, which they later regret. People worry that these engagement features create harmful shopping behavior through potential addiction. Despite market uncertainties, Temu has transformed the online shopping experience through its gameplay elements. Through a mix of fun shopping tools, Temu lets users enjoy shopping while receiving increased satisfaction. Its mix of enjoyable gameplay and useful services reshaped online shopping standards, and TMPU now leads other firms to duplicate its approach. AI-powered personalization. Temu stands apart from competitors because it employs artificial intelligence technology. The system studies all user interactions, including button taps and buying behavior, to create shopping recommendations tailored personally for users. Recommendations match user preferences to boost your chances of buying products you like. Whenever you explore skincare products on Temu, the system adds more similar items plus discounts when you spend time looking. From empty shopping carts, Temu sends special prices to motivate users towards purchase completion. Through advanced AI technology, Temu maintains user interest, which directly supports their business performance. Controversial practices. The platform needs to mix its new strategies with ethical practices. People have criticized several of Temu's business methods. Buyers worry about the website's true objectivity because sellers use tricks to create phony orders for product, ranking manipulation. Many buyers discovered packages they did not order because sellers run brushing scams to boost product ratings. Temu faces accusations of using the de minimis rule in the United States to import goods worth less than $800 tax-free. By offering this advantage, Temu gains a strong price advantage, but its competitors believe the competition is not fair. Temu's rapid growth forces the company to operate within proper business practices and continue creating new products. Challenges and controversies. Despite becoming a success so quickly, Temu faces serious business and public problems. Although Temu impressed millions through rapid success, its basic business plan problems now challenge its future survival. Incredible impact, the price of overconsumption. Some analysts believe Temu's affordable prices push buyers to purchase excessive amounts, which leads to excessive consumption across the market. Items that come from low-quality materials usually end up in the trash before long, thereby harming the planet more. Temu promotes budget deals that harm the environment in ways consumers overlook. Experts say environmental problems linked to Temu's business approach could soon equal or surpass its primary accomplishments. Products from Temu move rapidly through their life cycles, starting with fast fashion clothes and plastic-filled electronic devices. The manufacturing process, as well as worldwide shipping and waste disposal, cause serious damage to Earth's environment. Environmental activists want Temu to take action against its carbon impact while transitioning to eco-friendly production methods before environmental harm becomes permanent. Supplier relations, a double-edged sword. Suppliers suffer from the demanding, cost-saving practices Temu employs. To create these discount rates, the company demands strong control over manufacturers with strict regulations. Suppliers reveal that Temu's tough quality requirements and tight profit expectations will become unworkable for the company in the future. Our supplier partner notes that Temu offers such a narrow profit space, we need more orders and fewer failures to break even. Our profits vanish entirely when we fail to meet deadlines or deliver goods that do not meet quality requirements. Temu needs to resolve these heated manufacturer problems to keep its business thriving. Temu's online shopping problems hurt customer faith in the company. The company Temu deals with allegations about unethical methods such as shipping unwanted products to produce artificial sales growth and improve product placement positions. People question how trustworthy Temu behaves because of these controversial ways to sell things online. Many customers doubt the truth of product ratings since they have questions about the platform's review credibility. Customers feel more upset because they receive flawed merchandise plus face problems returning it. Though Temu advertises cost savings, some buyers deal with unsatisfactory products. To keep current customers, Temu must fix how poorly it handles customer service issues. Global brands care about fair business practices through regulations. Regulatory authorities across key markets have started monitoring Temu's fast growth. Temu draws criticism in the United States for taking advantage of a de minimis rule, which lets items under $800 enter unobstructed by import taxes. Despite its lower costs, Temu's practice of exploiting trade rules puts small businesses at a disadvantage and draws attention from regulators worldwide. As Temu continues to develop stores worldwide, they must act responsibly to avoid running into government trading restrictions. Maintaining its achievements involves combining speedy business expansion with obeying every rule and operating with integrity at all times. A test of integrity. To stay ahead of other global retailers, Temu must take immediate steps to address its current challenges. Will Temu develop sustainable solutions for customers, along with reliable safety and moral standards? The platform may sustain its growth or collapse due to recent media problems. Temu's ongoing success will show if its business growth remains enduring or ends abruptly. Lessons from Temu's playbook. Temu acts as a teaching example for businesses in the e-commerce sector. Its success shows what happens when you combine high-energy customer getaways with shopping games and advanced product adaptations. This story shows us both successful industry disruption methods and unsafe growth paths alongside doubtful business practices. Temu's business future will depend on its ability to resolve its ongoing challenges while keeping its rapid growth going. The business shows what disruption can do to transform an entire market segment. To become participants. By combining e-commerce features with budget-friendly options, Temu wins over millions of customers. The more Temu succeeds in its mission, the more people wonder if it can maintain ethical business practices long-term. Will Temu transform global retail or stay a short-lived retail player? Please share your ideas in the section below. Remember to support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more updates from the business scene.